That was weak, but anyway, Rob Frazier here. This video wanted to talk about my primary business and basically how I promote it. So if you're on my email list, you know that I email out a bunch of different things a lot of the times. But this video is to explain what those things are and why I use them. So basically, I was talking with a guy I worked with a few years ago. He said, what you have is a vehicle with 4 wheels. Now, if one of those wheels gets a flat tire, you don't just say screw it and leave the vehicle on the side of the road. No, you change the tire and you keep the vehicle moving. Also, there's a lot of parallels to that. When I learned about making money online, I needed 4 things. I initially thought it was 3, but you need 4. Just like the 4 wheels on a vehicle. What are those 4 things? Business, marketing system, traffic, and a mentor. Those are the 4 things you need to make money. However, your online business needs to have different things in place to make it work. So, all of that being said, my primary business is the multiple income funnel. This is the center. This is the primary money-making opportunity. However, we have many different ways of generating leads. If you don't generate leads, you're not going to make money. And what I've learned also is that if you can generate a certain amount of leads, it becomes a numbers game after a while. If you line up, like my guy in the Marine Corps, KB, he would go to the bar every single night and approach every single woman in the bar every single night without fail. If there was 3 girls standing in a group, he would approach all 3 of them. If a girl was at the bar and her boyfriend went to the bathroom, he would approach her. We sat there, we were wallflowers, we laughed at him, but every single night he got a number, he was making out, he danced with, he went home with women all the time because he was fearless, because he played the numbers. Online marketing is the same thing. So, getting into it, I promote different things to my list. I promote the multiple income funnel to my email list. The whole point, build an email list or build a list and promote your primary business to. My primary business is the multiple income funnel. The first way I generate leads is with my Leads Leap system. There's a few different Leads Leap systems that I'm using. The latest and greatest one I use, created by Ed and Ahmed, is Leads Leap. I'm not even going to get into it. Basically, it's Second Splash, Leads Leap, and Mega Marketing Pro. Basically, it's a lead generation capture page system designed to generate leads. That's it. I generate leads, and those leads get exposed to my primary business. How? In one of the pieces, the Mega Marketing Pro, in the back office, I have my primary business, multiple income funnel, and a back office of Mega Marketing Pro. So, when I do my traffic exchanges, when I do my safe list, when I do my daily disciplines, when I do YouTube videos, when I do blogs, all of that, I send all of that traffic to this Leads Leap marketing system. I don't send it to the multiple income funnel. When people come through and create accounts, they create a Second Splash account, they create a Leads Leap account, they create a Mega Marketing Pro account. When they create the Mega Marketing Pro account, boom, they get my primary business promoted to them. Now, I may swap this out for another Leads Leap system. There's many Leads Leap systems at the front end. And by the time of this video, I may swap that out, but that whole system is a Leads Leap system. I collect the lead, I get the email, they get on my email list, and then boom, I hit them with myth. That's the first way. Now, in the multiple income funnel, in the bonus income streams, there's something called Textbot. Some people think, oh, that's just something else I got to pay money for. No, Textbot allows you to promote a phone number. People will text that phone number, and as they do that, that person will get promoted or will see your Textbot link and your primary business. What's the primary business? Multiple income funnel. Textbot helps you generate leads for multiple income funnel. How do I do that? Well, I take drop cards. Do I have one in my wallet? I actually don't. I have them on my desk over there. I'm not going to pause the video. But I take drop cards. Matter of fact, I think I am going to pause the video and get one of my drop. Alright, I'm back. Got a drink of water. And if you see the picture in the corner of the screen, you'll see one of my drop cards. Basically, this drop card has a phone number on it. And when people text that phone number, they'll get on my text email list. And what I do with these cards is I pass them out. I go to coffee shops. I put them on a little bulletin board. There's always little business bulletin boards on the coffee shops. I go to laundry rooms of apartment complexes. I pass them out. Whenever I'm out at the gym, I'll throw them in the locker room. I throw them in the shopping carts, or the buggies, as I like to call them, at grocery stores when I'm on my way out. There's many different ways I promote this, and that builds my text email list. And those people, again, Textbot automatically will promote my Textbot affiliate link and my primary business. What's my primary business? Multiple income funnel. So this right here is the first system that I promote to build my email list. This is the second thing that I promote. I also promote Textbot to my email list, but the whole purpose is to build my texting list, because I have multiple ways of reaching out, multiple ways of connecting with people. So if you're just relying on email, that's okay. But if you got email and a phone number, you can hit them with the 1-2 combo and keep it moving. Another thing I like to promote, actually I'm going to save my software business for the end, but I will say my software business and Textbot works closely together, as it's the same gentleman who is creating both. I'm going to save this one for the last part, though. Another way I generate leads is with Power Lead System. Now, Power Lead System has a couple of different things. I also put Power Lead System in the back office of Mega Marketing Pro. Remember, this is the first thing I promote. I use all my solo ads, my traffic exchanges, my safe list. Everything that I do online promotes this right here. When they create their Mega Marketing Pro account, that's when I'll get my MIF, my multiple income funnel, business promoted to them. But I also promote Power Lead System, but I have a slant on the Power Lead System. What the heck does that mean? Power Lead System, Frank Calabro has a Cash Now funnel in which he talks about how to scale up with solo ads. So in the back office of Mega Marketing Pro, I position the Power Lead System. Hey, if you want to use solo ads to build your business, go through this training. Cash Now funnel. Also, Ace and Rich created a funnel within the Power Lead System. Those guys specialize in Facebook, how to generate unlimited leads on Facebook. Not to mention, when you get a Power Lead System Gold account, you get Max Steingart's Endless Free Leads Training, a $300 value for free, just for being a gold member. So the Fire Your Boss funnel, I'm going to just put Fire Your Boss, will teach you how to generate leads on social media and what to say to them. So when you generate leads with Textbot, or when you generate leads with this system right here and they reach out and ask you questions, you know how to talk to them using the training you get within the Fire Your Boss Endless Free Leads training with Power Lead System. Not to mention, the back office of Power Lead System also allows you to promote your primary business. Hey Rob, what's your primary business? Multiple income funnel. So this is usually like the third thing I like to show my email list. And now, going back to my software business. My software business will help you. It makes things super easy. My software business will help you keep your Facebook Messenger organized. Take it from me. I've lost out on a lot of business because my Facebook Messenger got full, people's messages got buried, and I just forgot to follow up with people. My software business helps fix that with that L Messenger Pro. My software business also gives you a software where you can automatically post to Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And I think it does Instagram as well. So if you forget to post, or you know, you're like me, you wake up, you're like, oh crap, what I got to post on social media today? I don't know. My software business, you can actually schedule out your social media posts so you don't have to stress out about it. And This will help you generate leads for your primary business. Remember the vehicle? Myth, multiple income funnel is the vehicle. These are the 4 tires of lead generation. You got the Power Lead System, you got the Leads Leap, you got Textbot, and then my software business. My software business, we'll talk about that in the future because that's a key to the future of what we're going to be doing here in affiliate marketing. But again, my software business, it allows me to be away from my computer. I could pull up the leads from my software business that I get through Facebook or my email list or anywhere, and I can have a conversation with them through the app. And that just helps me connect with my leads better. And through the app on my software business, you can email your leads or text them. Again, you have multiple ways of reaching out to your people. So that being said, that's everything I promote. That's why I promote it. These 3 things are lead generation systems, or these 4 things are lead generation systems, basically. My software business is Facebook, social media. Textbot is offline, more so. The Leads Leap Systems is my traffic exchanges, safe list, solo ads. Power Lead System, solo ads, and it tells you how to talk to people. And again, multiple income funnel is the primary business on the back end, getting you to full-time income. So that being said, wrapping this video up, my link for all of this, this right here will be below the video on YouTube. Or if you're getting this on an email, just watch the video, leave a question, comment, concern below. But that's it. That's everything I promote and why I promote it. The wheels are just lead generation. Lead generation helps the vehicle move down the road. You need 4 tires, you need leads, you need money. Anyways, wrapping this video up. We'll see you in the next one.